Hi there, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bakwa Joe, and today, ladies and gentlemen, we are at the chicken house because there is a huge development that has actually happened. So yesterday, as I was picking the eggs, I quickly found out that there was some diarrhea. Let's open. That's the inside. Yeah. So I quickly found out that there was diarrhea within the house. Sorry. No. Biosecurity, you cannot forget to spread. Okay. So I quickly found out that there was diarrhea in the chicken house from their droppings. Their droppings were appearing watery. For instance, let me show you. You see? Just like that. I think we can even get more examples around. Yeah, that one is okay. Some are okay. You see? Diarrhea. And it's a growing case. Oh wow, one laid in here. Okay. Yeah. Let's look elsewhere. There they are normal. They are, yeah, I think that is normal. That's just was squished down. Let's put this one here. Okay, you get the idea. So there was diarrhea. Actually, my eggs reduced yesterday. I got just 9 trays instead of 10. So there is an issue. So as I was doing some research on how to handle diarrhea, I found that a common household item could actually help in diarrhea. And guys, the common household item I found out was charcoal. So I found out the charcoal dust. If you crush the charcoal dust, see right there, that one fears because the violence is too much. So yeah, the charcoal dust mixed with feed. Some people put it in their feed, but me here, initially I used to just give it raw. So charcoal dust, you find that it helps in removing all these toxins, or at least it stops their poof from being all watery. Helps also in contributing, helps in easing diarrhea. So right now I'm going to look for some charcoal dust, crush it and give it to the birds, and I want you guys to tag along and we see how we fight this diarrhea, or how I attempt to fight this diarrhea. I can guarantee you. Sorry, I think I see a chicken eating eggs. Let me first get to eat nicely. What are you doing here? Are you doing something? Are you laying? You're laying? Yeah, it seems like it's laying. Okay. The eggs are safe. So we're going to crush this charcoal dust and give it to the birds, and then we see how the diarrhea fares in a few days. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have acquired our charcoal. It's still in this hard form, so we are going to try and get some dust. The charcoal dust. You crush this into dust. We're going to mix it some with the feed, and also going to mix some with I'm just going to give raw so that they can also do it, because I don't know about mine eat. Let's change into some ataya for this chicken. Alright, I think this is more like it. Now we can get dirty. Since these are hard, they need to be crushed into some dust, for example, to something like this, to dust. And then this dust can be added. I've seen people add it in their water, but no, here we are just going to give the chicken live. and then we see whether they take it on. Boom! We are back at the chicken house. I hope I don't have charcoal on my face. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have like a mirror to like look at myself right now. I'm trusting there's no charcoal on my face. Anyway, we are back at the chicken house and we are about to administer the charcoal. Okay, so we have finished pouring. Let me show you guys. You see what I was telling you? They eat it just like that. Let's go here. As you can see, those are also eating it. They're also eating it here. Just like that. Those guys are in a feast of charcoal. We are hoping I'll be doing this on a daily until their diarrhea reduces. Can anyone in the comments tell me why that bird is being attacked so much? It has created it to be so fearful. When you come close to it, it starts to panic. Looks for where to fly. And when it goes down, it's severely chased. It's like it committed some sort of crime. That is why my debeaking method, I'm going to debake them using that method. Yeah, I'm going to go and remove like 80% of majority of their beaks so that such fights do not happen. These birds are just so hell-bent on like fighting. If you enjoyed the video, please do leave a thumbs up, do give it a like, and leave a comment. I would like to know how you guys are fighting your diarrhea. Until then, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you tomorrow. In fact, this time I don't want to see you next video. I'll see you tomorrow because I plan on talking to you guys so that we can share each other's knowledge on a daily basis. Peace.